Hey nerds, this is Mr. Tui here at UnlimitedTutor.com. We're working on SAT practice test number 1, section 3, question 4. I've got another word problem. I like this one. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P equals 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? I like to approach this question beginning first with just some basic logic. You can just use some common sense to eliminate some pretty insane answer choices. Okay, let's go through them all together here. Answer choice A, Kathy will complete the repairs within 108 days. That's possible. It's a reasonable answer choice. I can't eliminate right off the bat, nor can I eliminate B. Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. That sounds like that's pretty reasonable. But look at answer choice C. Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per hour. That's just under one phone every 30 seconds. So that's just way too freaking fast. I mean, that's just insane, superhuman speed. Common sense, we can eliminate answer choice C, and I'm going to. Answer choice D, Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per day. A little bit less superhuman, but even that is a pretty astounding feat. If she's working 8 hours a day, then we're talking, something like 12 or 13 phones per hour, which is still, that's pretty fast. Just using some basic common sense, I think we can eliminate that. We're left with answer choice A and B. Now, what do we do with this? I mean, we can sort of analyze the equation but there's just an easier way to do it, which is plug in values. Let's create a value for D. That's going to give us some insight into what the other values represent. If P is the number of phones left in the equation, let's go back to this equation. P equals 108 minus 23D. P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she's worked that week. Let's say she's worked 1 day. So let's make D equal 1. Okay. We're going to plug that into the equation. P, the number of phones left, equals 108 minus 23 times 1. Because D is 1, which is going to give us P equals, let's see, 108 minus 23. I shouldn't use the calculator. This is the no calculator section. Okay, minus 23. I just want to be exact here. 5. 85. Okay, so after 1 day, the number of phones she has left to fix is 85. That's interesting. What if we made D0? I'm going to make it D0. So if D is 0, let's see what insights we get from that. P is going to be 108 minus 23 times 0. Remember, D is the number of days she's worked. So if D is 0, that means she hasn't worked at all. And if D is 0, then the number of phones she has left, P, is going to be 108. So this has got to be the beginning of the week, before she's worked at all. 0 days, P is going to be 108. Therefore, the only reasonable answer choice here is answer choice B, which is the correct answer choice. Kathy starts each week with 108 phones left to fix. You can find a lot of the answers in the SATs using some basic logic. Of course, you can always use the good old strategy of plugging in a value, which works well here, and in fact, both strategies work well here. That's how I recommend solving it. Check out my website, UnlimitedTutor.com. Check out my unlimited tutoring program and sign up for it. Have a great day, nerds.